All right, this video is for doing the Cajon for King of My Heart. So if you're looking for the guitar or piano lesson videos, those are up as well. I would download the sheet for this so you can have the drum beat here, unless you can just do it from the video. But the sheets you can get also from YouTube. There's a place where there's a social tab, and I can upload pictures, so that's where these sheets will be for you. All right, so Shawn is going to demonstrate the Cajon for us. We're going to play bass, or the kick drum and the snare. Do the bass for us there. You want to use your fist, and you want to get low enough on the Cajon, because if you get up in the middle or higher, then it loses its bass sound. So make sure you're low enough. And then your left hand can do the snare. There we go. So the snare's up toward the top, in the sort of the middle there, and you get a good snare sound with your Cajon. So the beat is kick, snare, kick, kick, snare, kick, snare, kick, kick, snare. Let the king of my heart, da 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 da, da 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 da, oh, he is my song. So that beat can go for most of the song. So that's the one beat you're going to do. So again, there's your visual for it. Kick, snare, kick, kick, snare. The little green dots are for the hi-hat. Those of you who later one day, if somebody has a trap set and they want to play the hi-hat, that's where the hi-hat goes. It's just a continuous eighth note beat. But let's get to the chorus part. You are good. We'll scroll here. So here's our beat for the chorus part. A little more complicated, but I thought, it's kind of a fun beat to do. But the kick goes kind of faster. It's kick, 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 snare, kick, 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 snare, kick, snare, kick, again, kick, 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 snare, kick, 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 snare, kick, snare, kick, kick, snare. And you're going to do that 4 times. This whole thing is 4 times for the chorus. Let's do that together. 1, 2, 3. You are good. You're good. You are good. You good. All right, so we see how to do that. So we have the verse, which is the first beat that we learned up there, and then we had the chorus, which we just learned. When you have the bridge part, you're never going to let me down. You're never going to let. You can do that top beat. Bump, 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 bump. Done. Yeah. So that'll work for the bridge part. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. You ready to go through it?
Yeah, but once you start playing keyboard, you can't hear this.
Yeah, all right, I'll just kind of sing it, I guess, through so you can play with it.
They should play with the backing track of the piano or guitar.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good idea. We want to have a backing track, something that you can play along with for practice. And that is perfect what Shawn just said. We did backing tracks for the guitar and the piano. So if you'll go to those 2 videos, they'll have the tracks where we're just playing it all the way through. And you can play the drum beat with that. You can do it with the guitar and then with the drum part. With the piano, and that'll work for you. All right, guys. So there are your 2 drum beats. As a drummer, I want to say real quick, make sure that you're listening to the whole band when you play. Drummers, if you play inside your own head, you'll start to rush or do your own thing, your own tempo, and everything can turn into a train wreck. You really have to be the glue of the band and really listen and maintain that beat for everyone. Okay, so that's really important as a drummer. God bless you, and you'll do well.